Okay, let's start. Weekend is more people coming here.
Yes, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day. There Wednesday, Thursday, people in the office, in the company working. No?
Yeah. But this is the perfect day. It's so quiet. This is the place, huh?
Yes,
So from where we can
this first reception, go in the building side. First go in, outside turtle garden, bird, kingfisher, mangrove, last.
Thank you.
we can go around there?
No,
No.
this one kingfisher resort.
Ah, this is resort.
Very good.
Aywa, thank you.
Ang resort pala yan.
Private yan.
Ano ba?
Yes, my love. How are you? Say hi to my vlog. Here.
Ah, ito.
So, it's mangrove.
You groves.
Let's groove. Mangroves. Yung sexy na kasama ko. Pwede palang palong-palo na. Harap. Saan? Saan isda? Nakita mo isda? Grabe na mata mo nakita mo isda. Okay.
Close na. Close na wala sa buhay mo. Ganun.
Good afternoon. Good, thank you. Nice smell. Thank you.
Here? Thank you.
Mm. Mm. Oh, yung mga aquatic. Ang ganda oh. Oh. See the fuck, the fact, yeah. See the fish. Dami oh. Yung aquarium mo, no? Wow, amazing. Mud plot.
My flat.
Mga shells. Ito pa pangso. Ang laki ng ano, crab oh.
Yung hinuli ni Mariel Lasing.
Laki, kulay blue. Oh, hi, say hi. Say hi. Don't be shy.
Don't touch that.
Kita niya guys, laki oh. So what do you think?
It's interesting.
Interesting. Wow, nice. Cool. Ano to, predator? Anong isda? Ah, yun ang liit ng crab, oh.
Ano naman siya? Si Gilasinus. Pitragun. Saan siya?
Nandun, boba. Nakakatakot sa tao. Ito, oh.
Wala siya masyado. Fish lang.
Ayun, oh. May bangus.
Kaya, hindi mo bangus yan?
Ano yun? Bangus yun.
Yeah. May pangso.
Ang laki, oh. Ibang isda, oh.
Cute.
Ibang klaseng isda, no? Bonda. Ayun yun, ano. Oh, yun, oh. Isa.
Ang liit pala. Kala mo napakalaki. Hindi, no?
Hmm.
Laki lang sa inyo.
Ah, ito wala, empty. Ay naman to, mabutiki. Ano? Ano naman siya? Lizard.
The carbon in the bridge, there is still forest can store. Oxygen. So, limestone.
Banks. Banks.
Pwede mo pinutol yung ano?
Wala, hindi ka nagko-comic.
Hindi yan, yung puti. Ay, yung may red.
Sa video yun eh.
Hindi, pag nag-picture ka.
Ayaw.
Picture mo.